Here you go, the game run perfectly. Loading the game will take some time. It is lazy because I am recording otherwise it run perfect. Here you can change the price and you can open the pack and there is a chance that you can open a good card. And I am opening the pack. I got pretty good cards. It has phone and card binder. Here you can pay the bills and order the things, for example, cards, furniture. And you can also check the market price of cards, and also you can buy area for shop. Thanks for watching and don't forget to comment the game that you want for free.